This problem says, what is the sum? Let me highlight that. We are going to find the sum of the angles. And we have a formula. I spelled it wrong, darn it. The formula for the sum. I gotta fix that. If I could spell, I'd be dangerous, I think. I don't know where I got that spelling from. Okay, the formula for the sum of the angles is going to be n minus 2 times 180 degrees. And n is going to be how many sides we have in the polygon or in the shape. In this problem, there are 5 sides, so the n is 5. And we're just going to simplify what I've written here. And you all told me what that was going to be. You told me what that was going to be. We're just going to simplify. 5 minus 2, of course, is 3. So our problem is just going to be 3 times 180. I think 3 times 180 is 540. By the way, I want to explain why this is. So our answer is 540, by the way. Let's just put that in there. Why don't you type that in right now? Tell me if you got it right. I'm just going to wait for you to tell me when you're ready. Type that answer in, 540. I'm going to explain why, but I want you to go ahead and put your points in right now. All right, good. So 540 is right now. Why this is because we can break this problem, any problem just about, into something simpler. Can you tell me how many degrees we have if we were to have a triangle? Well, that's not a good triangle, but how many degrees are all the angles in that triangle add up to? What do you think? Anybody can tell me? Always going to be 180. No matter what the triangle looks like, if you add up all 3 angles in a triangle, it's going to be 180. And we can always break up these polygons into triangles. My drawing might not be perfect, but I could draw a line here. See this triangle right here? And I could draw another line here. Well, let me use a number instead. Isn't that 1 triangle? Isn't 2 triangles? 3 triangles, right? So 3 times 180. And by the way, there are other places I could have drawn that line, those blue lines. I could have drew a blue line here, right? And here. I still have 3 triangles. They're different triangles, but the angles always still, each of those angles add up to 180, and we have 3 of them, so it's still going to be 3 times 540. It doesn't really matter how many sides we have if we know this formula.